It's on the shoulder. I gotta catch a flight. Why don't I just take my bag and slip it on the back of my luggage?
How great is that?
What we call them handbags with flair. So we're gonna look at some cool colors, trends. They're not really seasonal, they're kind of all seasonal, would you say?
Yep.
So let's put some time on the clock and jump right on in. All right, Teresa, tell me a little bit about Handbag Factory. What would you say they are known for?
Well, probably the best thing we have going is the bling.
Ooh,
so yeah, it's really
yes.
fun and it's
Yes.
timeless and you can dress it up or down.
gosh.
It's great.
Perfect.
It makes
All
a
right.
statement.
Things about the bags that we were talking about is that they're so versatile. You can use them as a,
Yep.
but then they also come with a long shoulder strap.
Yeah.
So your customers can actually wear them just in two different ways. If they want to like
Absolutely.
show it off with
I
their
know.
outfit or just sling it off to their side.
Yeah.
That's a plus, right?
Yeah.